Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to recall or revoke an email in new Outlook step by step. First, open new Outlook on your computer. On the left side, click on Sent Items. Find the email that you want to recall. Now right click on the email. From the menu, select Advanced Actions. Then click on Recall Message. Now a recall message window will appear. You will see two options: only recall this message or recall and open this message is a drop. If you want to recall the email, select only recall this message and click OK. If you want to recall the email and make changes before sending it again, click recall and open this message is a drop. For this example, we will select only recall this message and click OK. Outlook will then try to recall the message from the recipient. If you don't see the recall message option here, you can also double click the email to open it in a separate window. On the top ribbon, click on recall. And that's how you can recall or revoke an email in new Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.